And today I'm doing another Lego Advent Calendar.
We got the Lego City Advent Calendar, and we're looking for day number what?
16, and I'm still in my PJs.
16, and you're still in your PJs.
It's only 9.
It's only Elsa.
It's only like 10. It's only like 10, like 28.
It's only 10:30 in the morning, still in your PJs. Having a lazy day on this Saturday.
Well, it's the weekend, so
It's the
doesn't really
weekend.
matter.
And there's how many more days till Christmas?
I have no idea.
Well, today's the 16th, so
Like 9, 10,
9 days
8,
is pretty good. How many more days do we have left on the calendar? So start at 16,
16,
17, so 1, 2,
17, 18,
3,
19, 20,
5,
22,
21.
21,
So
22,
that's 6, 7,
23,
8,
24.
9. 9 days till Christmas Eve.
Yeah, that's right.
How exciting is that?
So let's open
All
up.
right, so let's open up day number 16 and let's see what we're going
What
to
did
get.
I
All right, oh, can you move the... Got it on a different angle. Callie, can you move the... There we go. Oh, it looks like a little RC car.
get? Yeah. Why's he getting so many toys before Christmas?
That's a lot of toys the boy is able to play with. All right, let's see how many pieces there are. And the wheels are actual wheels.
Yeah.
Not like the yesterday's, which was the train. Oh, the snowman took a topple. Snowman's broken.
Didn't I get this the other day?
Frosty the Snowman. You got this one, remember, on the 14th, and you got the train on the 15th. You opened that yesterday.
The train. This isn't a train. This is
Sorry,
a
not the train.
fire truck.
The fire truck.
Fire truck.
I was looking at the train. What can I say? All right, so let's see how many pieces there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pieces, and that's going to build.
Or a wheel's
An RC
probably
car.
the extra piece.
Well, you can
This
use
wheel.
you can use the one wheel as weights, so the boy or the
Yeah.
grandma can be lifting weights.
Okay, let's build it. Back, and this is what I got.
And this is what we got. Where is it? Here's the RC car. It's traveling.
And the granny's,
And the granny's lifting
weights.
some weights because she's been doing so much work, and the grandson's finally decided to
And these are real
clean
wheels.
up the snow.
And these are real wheels too.
Those are real wheels. They will work.
Yeah. Are the boats backwards?
All right. So that is day number 15. Granny,
No,
that's
stay number 6.
Sorry, that's day number 16. Sorry about that, guys. Granny's taking a fall. Sorry, Granny.
The weights are too heavy.
You gotta get stronger, Granny.
Why?
Come on.
Why can't I just do this?
You gotta get stronger. Come on. All right, remember to subscribe to Callie's channel. Leave a like.
Comment.
Comment.
Share with your friends and family. And until then, bye.